Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Esrality. Today I'm here to show you small haul and some decoration ideas. Last weekend I went to JOANN's craft stores. They were having an amazing deal, like 50% off, 60% off, and there were some doorbusters like 70% off. So I couldn't hold myself back from them. And I'm going to show you what I got. The items that I purchased are related to holiday and winter. If you're on a budget, it's best to shop in mid-December. Just follow the weekly ads from the stores and they're having like good deals around this time. And most of like 90% of the items that I got is actually 70% off. Plus I use my coupon in JOANN's store. The cheapest item that cost me is 23 cents. You didn't hear me wrong. And the most expensive item that I got was, let me look at my paper here, $4.70. Before I start to show my purchase to you, I want to share a tip. When you go to stores, at the register, don't forget to ask if the items that you're purchasing are coupon eligible. Don't be shy, just ask. And if you don't say that, you downloaded their app or if you don't have their coupons with you, they can still give you some good deals. Like I didn't have the JOANN's app. All I asked was by the register, are these coupon eligible? So he stopped and he said yes. And I was looking at my phone and they were having a 20% off coupon on their website, and he just applied that one too. Most of the items that I purchased are 70% off, but I also got 20% off in the register. Let's stop talking and get into my haul. I wanted to get some things that I can use all winter long, not just by holiday time. So I got these cute flowers. Look at these. It's pink frosted. Let me show you a little bit closer. I hope my camera focuses on very well. I'm just having a new setup, so bear with me. So let me tell you how much they were. The flowers were $19.99 and they were with the 70% off. It is $5.99, but I also had 20% off from this price. I got some fillers like these ones. Look at this. It has some berry on it and it has this pine cone. So let me tell you the price for this one. Actually, they're both same. They were originally $2.99 and I purchased 89 cents each of them. The quality is actually better than the Dollar Tree. So, and they were less than $1, so that's the best time to shop. Go ahead and buy these. Okay, the next one. You can put it in a vase, you can put this on your tree. It's so whimsical, like I couldn't pass this one. And let me tell you the price. It was originally $2.99 and I paid 89 cents for this, plus my 20% off in the register. So this one, let me show you closer. It has some sparkles on it and it's actually shining a little bit green. I don't know if you can tell, there's some green in this and some sparkles, the chunky glitters on them. It's so nice. I should have gotten more. Okay, the other cute item is this little cute pom-poms. These are not soft. And let me show you closer. It's fuzzy. This one was originally $1.99, but with the 70% off, it was 59 cents. But I paid less than this one. And the next one are these branches. Aren't they cute? If you're going to decorate your house with the Winter Wonderland theme, these are gorgeous. And I will use these ones after holiday too. I mean, doesn't it snow in general? It does. They were originally $1.99 and with the 70% off each of them, they were 59 cents. And the other one is this deer. Look at this. And it was originally $1.99, and it was with the 70% off 59 cents, but I got additional 20% off. I don't want to keep saying that, but I got extra 20% off by the register. Always ask if these are coupon eligible, okay? And the other item is this. Isn't this cute? And this one was originally 99 cents. It was cheap in the beginning. With the 70% off, it was 29 cents. Okay, I'm continuing. Look at these. I got these ones. Each of them has 3 lollipops. I mean, these are not real, but don't they look real? These are glass, by the way. Yep, these are glass, and they were originally 99 cents, but with the 70% off, 29 cents. To use on my projects, I got a mesh, this one. Let me actually open and show you how this one looks. It has some snows on it and some glitters. Look at this. So this one was originally $6.99, and with the 70% off, it was $2.09. Next one I got is this tool. I hope I'm not reading wrong, but let me show you. And this one was originally $4.99, and this one wasn't 70% off. This one was only 30% off, and with that one it's $3.49, but I used 20% off coupons, so I paid less than this. I went there again this week to grab more of these flowers. Aren't these gorgeous? I went there and they were all gone. So if you find these, grab these. They're not gonna last long in your store because these are so gorgeous, and look at these. We're still having good deals, not 70% off, but let me show you what I got this time. I got these feather flowers, I would say, and they were originally $2.99 each of them, and I paid $1.19, but I got a coupon by the register, so I paid even less than that. And the next ones are these. This one was $2.99, and it was 60% off, so it was $1.19. Look at this. This is not soft, by the way. This is something not sturdy but not soft, but look at this. And this one was $2.99, and with the 60% off, it was $1.19. And this one is actually softer. The next item that I got is this, and it was $3.99 originally, and I paid like $1.59 are these, but I got my coupon, of course. And I also got decorative ribbon just like these. It looks like bushes, branches, and there are some snows on that. That's just the effect of the ribbon. This one was originally $7.99, and I paid $3.19, so, but I used my coupon. Now let me show you how I decorated my house with the items that I purchased, and also the items I already owned at home, and let's get into it. I tried to use what I had at home. This bottle was just a sake bottle, and I was just keeping it to use it later on my projects, and it was just perfect. All I did was adding some fairy lights to the bottle, and then I added these 2 branches inside. And that's how I use it in my bathroom. I got this vase from Home Goods in the clearance section. It was only $3, and when I had it I didn't have any idea what to use it with, and when I came home it was just a perfect match for my flowers, and my flowers weren't so long, so it was just a perfect. I didn't have to cut it down, and then I added some fuzzy fillers to this, and that's all I did to this. And I can use this all winter long. This turned out to be my favorite project. I happen to have this vase already at home, and I added these white sparkly stones that I got from Dollar Tree. You know, Dollar Tree have amazing stones. And then I added my snowy branch as a background. Then I added my deer, and I added these cute lollipops, and I didn't stop here. Added these candy cane ornaments that I got from Dollar Tree too, because why not? This hurricane vase is from Dollar Tree. I really like hurricane vases, by the way. I kept using the rest of the stones that I was using previously. I just wanted to give the snowy effect on the ground of the vase. Then I added the pompons upside down. And then I decided to bend the pine cone down and insert it to my vase. Simple and inexpensive, but it looks chic. The next one is even easier. All I did was adding the rest of the white stones into this Dollar Tree vase, and then I added this pine cone branch into it. That's it. I hope this video gives you a little inspiration. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please consider to become one. Thanks again. See you next time.